on YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope all y'all having a great day. Today we're gonna be doing a little unboxing for y'all. I'm not sure which kicks these are, so it's gonna be random. We're gonna have to open up these boxes because I got boxes stacked up that I need to open up, y'all. And we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna give y'all an unboxing today though. So if y'all new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and join your boy with the Sneaker Dungeon family, y'all. And you know what I'm saying? We over here cooking, y'all. We over here cooking, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna stop, we just gonna keep cooking and we gonna keep eating over here, you feel me? So with that being said, let's try to get this video up to 30 likes, y'all. We've been doing good at that. Smash it, splack it, y'all already know what time it is over here, and drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think about these kicks, because we're gonna do kicks. I know I got a special unboxing too, another unboxing, but we're gonna do these kicks today because I want to focus on, I gotta keep it focused on one thing at a time. So let's get straight into it. Alright, y'all, so we got this box in, y'all. I'm not sure if it's from StockX. I'm not sure. I actually think I don't know which one it's from. I took the things off, but we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna see who this is from, and we're gonna pop it open. I ain't got no scissors or nothing with me. We're just gonna do this thing old school, y'all, with this little pen and just go right down the middle.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
I broke the pen. Alright, y'all, let's just dig into it. Alright, y'all, so without going any further, this unboxing is going to be brought to y'all today by my bro, B-Boy Lost Spin, because I already know I didn't order anything from GOAT, but, you know, he's sponsoring this video, letting us get this look at these shoes, and I appreciate it, bro, so let's go ahead and see which pair this is. As you see, first time I've ever really did anything from GOAT, like where it's like an unboxing where it's come straight to me, because y'all know I used to live in Germany, so people used to send it to me and then send them, you know what I'm saying, that way. But I never, you know, got a GOAT box where it say right here, GOAT verified. That's pretty dope. And here we go, y'all. So on the box it reads Air Jordan 9 Retro. And as you see, we got that old school box, not the new school way of doing it, but you know, not the oldest box, but one of the older boxes, y'all. I actually have some of these in my collection. So let's go ahead and check it out. Air Jordan 9, Black Varsity Red, Dark Charcoal. Yes, Lord. Now, bro said do not smell test approved these because these have been worn before. So we're not gonna get a smell test approved on this one, y'all, but that's okay, y'all, because the shoes are still fuego. You feel me? Now let's get these things about the box. Verified, authentic GOAT card, authentication by on the back. That's dope right there by GOAT. Different from StockX with the tag, so it is what it is. Wabaya! We got them charcoal 9s, man. These things have always been on my list, y'all. I've always wanted to get this pair of shoes. These are in great condition, should I say. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and flip that around as we keep talking so you guys can get an up close and personal look at it. All right, y'all, so here we have it, the charcoal 9. In my honest opinion, this is one of those retros that I really wish that they would bring back. So you guys let me know in the comment section, is this a shoe that you guys would like to see retro again? Very dope shoe, simple but also fabulous, should I say. This is just very, very fuego. You got that nice old school nubuck going along it, as well as you got that gray mixed in to give it that charcoal look, and then hints of red going around it. Very dope. Hints of the red Jumpman right there. And on the bottom, as you can see, these have been worn. You got the red Jumpman on the bottom and the regular 9 bottom that you normally see on all the other Jordan 9s. I think that this is a very, very dope shoe. You have the globe right there with the Jumpman in red and the 23 stitched in red on the back. And that's pretty much it, you all. I really would like to know y'all's thoughts and opinions on what y'all like to see this retro come back. I really think that this is a dope shoe. I think that the Charcoal 9 should come back. I would like to see it actually come back next year. If they brought this back next year, I don't think I would be disappointed. I mean, you've already gave us like anthracite 9s, different 9s of that nature that are all dark and, you know, that are all black. We saw the bread 9s drop this year. I mean, it's about time. I can see it coming back, and I can see them retro on this again. But shout out to my bro B-Boy Lost Spin for letting us do this unboxing for the channel. And y'all already know. Y'all let me know in the comment section how y'all feel about these. And you already know I'm gonna spin pictures at the end so y'all can get that nice up close and look with the pictures. Charcoal 9s, y'all. All right, y'all, so there you have it. Did a little rundown and review unboxing these Charcoal 9 things. Shout out my bro again, B-Boy Lost Spin, for letting us have this unboxing on the channel today. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell. Y'all follow your boy on Instagram at DaRetroWizKid. I stay posting them pictures, y'all. And you already know, man, follow your boy on Twitter at Wiz_retro. Trying to get in tune with Twitter, y'all. I've never really been big on Twitter, but I'm trying to get into that Twitter. But yeah, I had to fix that collar real quick. Trying to get in tune with Twitter, y'all. Y'all let me know, do y'all feel like they should retro this shoe again? Because for DaRetroWizKid, I want the retro. But it's your boy DaRetroWizKid, and I will catch y'all in the next video. You dig?